Hello and a very warm welcome to this video recording which is designed to show you how to book your teeth whitening appointment online. Now I'm on the home page of 20-minute teeth whitening at present, and I'm scrolling down the page until I reach the interactive diary, which is just coming into view now. The diary is converted into 4 sections. If you wish to book for one person, click here. For 2 or 3 people, here. For 4 or more people, here. And if you're a previous customer who wants to book a discounted price for a top-up, click here. Now, for the sake of brevity and simplicity, let's just assume you want to book for one person. So we'll click the top box, and a calendar will appear by default, which is normally the month you're viewing. Now, I'm recording this in February 2021, hence the reason that particular month is showing on screen. However, there is one exception to that rule. If all of the appointments for February or any given month are taken, the following month, in this case it would be March 2021, will appear instead. Now, looking at the calendar, I can see that Friday the 19th is the first available day with an appointment, because any day with an appointment to book is highlighted in a bold font. And that is the first day of the month based on today's date that has an appointment or appointments available. There are also dates the 24th through to the 27th as well. Now, to find out the time or times on any given day with a bold font, just select whichever day interests you. We'll say the 19th. 10 a.m. and 12 noon is here. If we take the 27th, Saturday, there is one time available. We'll go back to the 19th, where you've got a choice of 2 times. Click on whichever time interests you. We'll say 10 o'clock. Now continue will appear. Click on that, and the online form will come on screen. Self-explanatory, first and last name, phone number, preferably a mobile please, email address so we can send a copy of the confirmation of the booking to you, the full address you want us to call at, including your postcode, and also just to make certain as a fail-safe that you have clicked on the right box for the quantity of people. Here it's saying you're booking for one person. So where it says confirm how many people this is for, in this imaginary scenario, we'd expect to see the number 1 appear in this box here. The home kit information, these 2 boxes here, totally ignore them if you do not want to buy a home kit after the end of the laser sessions. But if you do, just follow the information in these 2 boxes. The final thing is the GDPR privacy rules and our appointment booking and home kit sales terms and conditions. Once you've read this, providing you're happy, check the box here, click on complete appointment, and that's it. You'll receive a confirmation of the booking in your email.